I know it is cliche. I know everyone posts at their status, male and female, both about the rain and how they hate this and hate that, but I sit here on my porch. I feel the coolness of the breeze that comes from the temperature dropping. I watch the droplets of rain, sometimes depicted as God's tears, touching the ground. I listen to the thunder, and I am not afraid. Perhaps it is God clearing his throat. Perhaps it is him expressing himself. I figure the devil has nothing to do with nature, but the rain. I sit here on my porch and imagine her sitting with me in the rain, watching the droplets, us holding hands, sipping our beverages, eating upon our plate. The rain. As you can clearly hear in the backdrop, the thunder continues to roar. We are not afraid. The lightning illuminates the sky. We are not afraid. We are here in nature, loving. We watch the occasional car go down the street. Some go too fast, some at the right speed, but the rain. I ask her, does she want to dance in it? I tell her I'll put the umbrella over her so she won't mess up her hair. She tells me she does not care about her hair, only to dance with me in the rain. The rain. Can you hear the thunder? The thunder provides a pastoral soundtrack for this scenario. The rain. Another car goes through the lightning. It's just struck in about 5 different forms. The sky is no longer gray mixed with nocturnal. It is illuminated. Can you hear the thunder? Upon hearing the thunder, a beagle retreats himself, but she draws closer to me, pressing herself against me. Her breath touching my eardrums, telling me we need to go inside soon. Because I am not a dumb testosterone creature, I oblige. Such is the rain. There is no need to run from it. If you have not showered, this is the perfect time to do so. The droplets are beautiful. They have their own design. The thunder you can listen to, it's not like those obnoxious fireworks, firecrackers that they play around the floor. Boom, bam, boom, bam. It's something different. The lightning is so natural. You don't need Commonwealth Edison and such. And such is the rain. And she tells me, babe, I want to go inside. And so I leave the rain in its own devices, for there is other business to be attended to. My poem.